and build an 800 horsepower Hemi. Holy shit. What's up, GT gang? Welcome back to the channel, and today is a huge day. Sam let me borrow the Jeep Grand Cherokee, the 5.7 that we installed a catch can and a cold air intake on. That being said, look at the back, it's empty. Today is the day we load everything up for the 426 Hemi that is Procharged into the back of the Jeep. And from there, we go to the shop at Uncle Art's house, and we are going to put this engine together in 4 days from today. So that being said, prep work, I need to have everything cleaned. We're gonna paint everything, whether it be tomorrow and Thursday. So it's Monday currently, so tomorrow and 3 days from now. And then Friday is assembly day. Start to finish, we're gonna go get breakfast, go straight in there, clear head, and build an 800 horsepower Hemi from the ground up. I am going to document this as well as I possibly can. So let's go ahead and start loading up the Jeep. All right, so as you guys saw, I got into a car accident with Sam's Jeep. Literally right after I shot the video where I loaded it up, this happened. And luckily, it didn't hinder Sam and I's relationship. Everything is still okay. Everything is great. He was worried about myself and my well-being rather than the car. Shout out to you, Sam, for that, because if I was in that situation, it'd be really hard to react the way you did. You were very helpful, and I'm surprised you didn't freak out on me, honestly, but yeah, I did make it out okay. The airbags went off, windshield cracked, whole front end's destroyed. We were able to get the cold air intake, his aftermarket wheels, as well as the catch can off, and I'm going to use the catch can for the Charger, I think. But that being said, yeah, his Jeep was totaled. He ended up getting insurance money from that and buying a 3.6 all-wheel drive Chrysler 300, which is super nice. We'll have to show you guys that sometime. But yeah, the rest of the video is unboxing my fuel system for the Charger, so I really hope you enjoy that. I got a $1,300 Holley fuel sending system, so go ahead and enjoy that. It's really awesome. As well as a bunch of fuel components from Jegs, Dash 8 AN stuff. So take a look, guys. I'll see you at the end of the video. So we got some goodies from Jegs. We're going to go ahead and open them up. This should be all my fuel components. Let's get into it. So here we go, guys. We have 20 feet of AN line. This is Dash 8. And I went with a Dash 8 3 micron fuel filter from Aeromotive. This is all from Jegs. As you can tell, I have Dash 8, various Dash 8 fittings. We have flare union males, we have a 45 hose end, and we have straight hose ends, as well as a 90 hose end, and the aluminum Dash 8 wrench, as well as having the billet fuel filter mount, 2-inch inside diameter. So I will write this out on paper to explain to you guys the direction of fuel and how I will be using these components. We have right in front of our eyes a $1,300, let me turn on the light for you, boom, $1,300 Holley fuel system, okay? So this is the 255 liter per hour dual fuel sending unit, so it's a total of 510 liter per hour sending capabilities to the engine, okay, guys? So let's go ahead and unbox this. I am making a TikTok, so kind of bear with me here. I got to do this in sections. So we're gonna take the box, open it up, and see what's inside. Kind of, it may be a little underwhelming considering it costed $1,300, but it's complete drop-in. It's the pumps, the crossover tube or the crossover line and everything. It's a complete drop-in system, so keep that in mind, guys. This is the Holley system, and I will put a screenshot of that up right now. All right, so I've got it open here. This doesn't need to be a part of the TikTok. And this is what we have. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Now let's go ahead and take this out and see what all comes in this $1,300 fuel system. Holy shit. So we have our 1,000 PSI hose. We have our... Holy crap. These are insane. We got Holley right there. Wow, that's impressive. That's dope. Okay, so we will put that off to the side here. And the same thing, both sides. Looks like I have to do some soldering, which is dope. I love to solder. We have a bag with a bunch of different hardware. We have another connector that needs soldered. We have fittings. I'm not sure what these are. I'm sure that the instructions will explain that. We have... So this will be dope because I actually have a Holley intake manifold, so to have this fuel system is sick too. So it should all flow very, very nicely. Not only do the units provide performance, but they give you many options for your install. The module comes with 4-bar regulators pre-installed, so they can be dropped into the tank and be used with the factory returnless fuel system. The regulators can be removed, and all the parts are included to configure the modules for a more traditional return style system, which we will be doing. Both 3/8 and 5/16 quick connect fittings are also included to allow easy connection to the factory fuel line, or if you choose AN plumbing, the inlets and outlets of each flange are machined with -8 O-ring ports to mate with AN fittings, adapters, and hose. This is dope, guys. Let's go ahead and open this up. This is sick. This is sick. So we have the hydromat. This is a very large fuel sock. Basically what that is. That's dope. We have 2 of them, 1 per. This is what it looks like. And we have this non-repairable hose. Okay. So that's it for down there. I'll go ahead and take these out and give you guys a closer look. Okay, everybody. Okay, so we got the flashlight out here. We have Holley right there. -8 orb fittings. We have this is actually set up to bolt right in, and I know I mentioned that, but the pro to that is it's set up to be dropped right in. All you have to do is use this -8 orb fitting with the quick connect 3/8 or 5/16. I'm not sure which one factory is, but you bolt it in and it's good to go with stock. You may have to solder those on. I haven't looked through the instructions yet, but basically from what here over is the fuel kit. But this is pretty dope. I'm super excited about this. What else does this come with, guys? I'm trying to think off the top of my head. So the capabilities of this, I can turn this into a return style system, which I'm going to do. So it gives you all the instructions to do so, which is also a plus. And a huge plus is these are easily swapped out to go larger pump if need be. So if I need to go like dual 510s and have to run, you know, over 1,000, you know, basically double my fuel to make my car that much faster, or have an insane amount of horsepower, maybe one day I can just do that with this kit. So that being said, here's the majority of my fuel system. These are all the fittings and hose to do a returnless style system. So I have to look into what I need for fittings on a return style. So that being said, guys, this is super exciting, huge step for the build. I am looking at installing the fuel sending units this week, so stay tuned for that video. And that being said, Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all your guys' support more than you even know. Charger content is very, very soon. You guys have to stay with me and bear with me. The charger is basically being on held for one reason and one reason only, and it's completely out of my hands. There's absolutely nothing I can do about it right now, and I want to tell you so bad, but I just don't want to put anybody in an awkward situation, especially because it's out of my hands, and I don't want said person to kind of retaliate, whatever the case may be. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching the video. The support is amazing. Check me out on TikTok, MojoGT as well, and on Instagram, _MojoGT_. And if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. You know, obviously hit the bell. Like the video. I'm not going to sit here and beg for likes, but if you enjoy my content, like the videos. It's pretty simple. See you guys in the next one. Peace.